Let me show you how to put together the C8000 juicer. Whether it's the C8000S or the C8000J or the standard C8000, they all have the same parts. Let me show you how to put it together. I've got the motor or the base of the juicer on the bench. The bowl is the first thing that I want to put in, and I want it's already got the cap on the front of the bowl. The front cap should face the logo on the juicer and it locks into place. Next we want to put in the rotational wipers, any direction, that just drops straight into the juicer. Then we want to put in the strainer. This is the juice strainer. It has a red dot here and there's a red dot on the top of the bowl. So I can line those two up and it will click into place, red dot to red dot. Next thing we want to put in is the press, okay? Anyway, it does no direction. It just pops in, but you want to push it down, give it a little bit of a spin so that it's solid in place. The mistake a lot of people make is if it sits up a little bit like that, then the lid won't go on. So I want to make sure that it's pushed right down into the bowl. We then got our lid, okay? So we got the dot on the front lining up with the dot. So the third dot should line up perfectly. And then it just easily goes to the lock position. If you're having trouble trying to turn it, it's because the press isn't in deep enough. It should turn nice and easy. The C8000 model juicer has the pushing press which you use when you are juicing, and that just sits into the top. You'll see it is cut away here because there's a safety fin inside the lid. There's also a little white dot here, and the white dot will line up just like so. It's really easy to put together. If you haven't done it before, you might be a little bit hesitant on what parts go together in which order. Hope this video makes it a little bit clearer for you. Happy juicing!